Akbar.
Pero dahil nga nakulong siya, even though he is acquitted kay Duterte, meron pa ring prejudgment kay Jinggoy as the bad one. And you know what? Deservedly so. Pero I'm not saying na, he is actually guilty of that. Pero it is deservedly so na merong prejudgment na masama kay Jinggoy as the bad one. Because, ano-ano ba? At napakarami ng mga kontrobersyal laban sa kanya. Naunti-unti nang naglalabasan ng baho. Many of the district engineers, secretary, contractors, and even aides are vying for state witness badge. Kasi nga again, gusto na nilang maglaglagan kasi ayaw nilang makulong at maiwan as scapegoat ng mga mayayaman. Ganyan ang nangyari sa secretary or staff ni Revilla. Now ngayon nga, nagkakagirian si Senate President Paul Tempore and Blue Ribbon Committee Chairperson Ping Lacson at Senador and former Chairperson ng Blue Ribbon Committee na si Senador Rodante Marcoleta tungkol sa parang pagpilit ni Marcoleta na gawing state witness ang mga diskaya. Kasi ang sinasabi niya, hindi naman kailangang ibalik yung mga ill-gotten wealth. Kailangan lang, maging fully cooperable sila sa ating mga ahensya ng gobyerno.
Why did you choose, for example, Bryce? Over to this guy.
My opinion. You cannot question my opinion. Outside of this hall, you cannot question my opinion. You also question.
I am questioning your opinion because you are the chairman of this committee, Mr. Chair.
Why are you so protective of this guy? Why are you so protective?
I am not protecting them. Mabuti sinabi mo yan, Mr. Chair. Pwede ba nating i-record ito? Palagi nyo sinasabi, I am protecting of the Diskaya. When I was chairman of this committee, sinabi ko na sa inyo, the only remedy provided under the law is for them to apply if they qualify under the process of witness protection program. That's all what I did.
Which now, we know that, Secretary Remulla is not affable to that arrangement na hindi sila kailangang pagbayarin or i-return yung kanilang ill-gotten wealth na matapos ang daang libong lumuhok sa kilos protesta at marcha kontra korupsyon. Naglabas na ng freeze order para hindi magamit ang mga assets ng mga kontratista, opisyal ng gobyerno at politikos, totaling to around 500 million pesos. Pero akala nyo yun lang? Si Jinggoy at Villanueva lang ang madadawit? Diyan ka nagkakamali. Dahil ayon kay former DPWH USAC Robert Bernardo, implicating dating Senate President Jesus Escudero, allegedly receiving 160 million pesos.
Maynard Ngu